Good evening, all, and welcome to LR Academy for Competitive Exams. Through this slideshow in PowerPoint, we satisfy the aspirants of UPSC, TRB, RRB, RRC, TNPSC, and all competitive exams, including NEET and Police Commission exams. Yes. LR Academy every week will post you 30 questions with answers on the topic of general knowledge, current events, and general chemistry. That is 15 questions each from GK and current events, and 15 questions from general chemistry will be posted. Overall 30 questions. Kindly do subscribe and support us. All the very best for the aspirant's career goal and success. The first slide, GK with current events. The corona vaccine was developed by Russia under the name Apollo 5, Soyuz 5, Apple, Sputnik 5. Again, I repeat, the corona vaccine developed by Russia was under the name, option D is the right answer, Sputnik 5. Question number 2. The capital of India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi in the year, option A 1910, option B 1911, option C 1912, option D 1913. The right answer is 1911, option B. Third question. The glass fiber optic communication cable under sea water was commissioned recently by our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, was between which two cities? Option A, Chennai and Colombo. Option B, Chennai and Port Blair. Option C, Trichy and Cavarati. Option D, none of this. The right answer is the glass fiber optic communication cable under sea water was commissioned by our PM Mr. Modi was between Chennai and Port Blair. Question number 4. The COVID 19 virus originated from which province of China? The COVID 19 virus originated from which province of China? Option A, Shanghai. Option B, Peking. Option C, Bushan. Option D, Wuhan. The right answer is the COVID 19 virus originated from Wuhan province of China. Question number 5. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution deals with, option A, freedom of religion, option B, abolition of untouchability, option C, freedom of speech, option D, equality before law. Again, I repeat, Article 14 of the Indian Constitution deals with, the right answer is equality before law. Option D. Choose the non-matched option. Steel and ships, duralumin and aircraft, magnesium and crockery. D. Bronze and coins. Which is the non-matched option? C. Magnesium and crockery. Seventh one. It's under the heading GK and current events. The first city in British India to get corporation status is, option A, Simla, option B, Mumbai, option C, Kolkata, option D, Chennai. Again, I repeat, the first city in British India to get corporation status is, option A, Simla, option B, Mumbai, option C, Kolkata, option D, Chennai. The right answer is Chennai, option D. Eighth question. The most dangerous consequence of excessive deforestation is, option A, landslide, option B, soil erosion, option C, loss of forest wealth, option D, none of this. Again, I repeat, the most dangerous consequence of excessive deforestation is, the right answer is option B, soil erosion. Ninth question. Science of rearing silkworms to obtain silk is called, Option A, apiculture. Option B, fermiculture. Option C, sericulture. Option D, silviculture. Again, I repeat. The science of rearing silkworms to obtain silk is called as, option C is the right one, sericulture. The first Indian tennis player to win an Olympic medal is, again I repeat, the first Indian tennis player to win an Olympic medal is, option A, Zizan Ali, option B, Ramesh Krishnan, option C, Mahesh Bhubadi, option D, Leander Pace. The right answer is Leander Pace, option D. Question number 11. The boundary line between India and China is known as, option A, McMahon line, option D, Mahot line, option C, Radcliffe line, option D, Fraser line. Again, I repeat. The boundary line between India and China is known as, option A is the right answer, McMahon line. 12th question. The Indian National Congress was formed in the year, option A, 1905, option B, 1910, option C, 1885, option D, 1888. The right answer is option C, 1885. Cancer caused in the cells of bones and cartilages is called as, option A, sarcoma, option B, carcinoma, option D, adenoma, option C, lymphoma. Again, I repeat. Cancer caused in the cells of bones and cartilages is called as, the right answer is option A, sarcoma. Question number 14. Sunlight reaches the earth in 24 hours, option A, option B, 1 second, option C, 1 hour, option D, 8 hours and 20 minutes. Again, I repeat. Sunlight reaches the earth in 24 hours, 1 second, 1 hour, 8 minutes and 20 seconds. The right answer is 8 minutes and 20 seconds, option D. Question number 15, the last question of GK and current events. Attention span is measured by tacticscope, ultra microscope, stethoscope, XRD technique. Again, I repeat. Attention span is measured by, the right answer is tacticscope, option A. Now we come onto the topic general chemistry. In general chemistry, we look into the topic of basic concepts of chemistry. Basic concepts of chemistry. Question number 16. Oxidation of state of fluorine in all the compounds is, option A, +1, option B, -1, option C, 0, option D, -2. Again, I repeat. The oxidation state of fluorine in all the compounds is, option B, -1. Question number 17. Maximum number of electrons in a shell of an atom is determined by the following. A, 2L plus 1, B, 4L minus 1, C, 2N to the power 2, D, 4L plus 2. Again, I repeat. The maximum number of electrons in a shell of an atom is determined by the following. The right answer is 2n square, that is 2n to the power 2. Question number 18. Oxidation number of hydrogen in sodium hydrate NaH is, option A, -1, option B, +1, option C, 0, option D, none of this. Again, I repeat. Oxidation number of hydrogen in NaH sodium hydride is A, -1, B, +1, C, 0, D, none of this. The right answer is option A, -1. Question number 19. Davidson and Germer experiment proves which nature of matter? Option A, wave nature, option B, particle nature, option C, both wave and particle, Option D, none of this. Again, I repeat, Davidson and Germer experiment proved which nature of matter? Proved which nature of matter? A. The right answer is wave nature. Question number 20. Which of the following compounds has the percentage of carbon same as that of ethylene? That is C2H4, ethene. Which of the following compounds has the same percentage of carbon same as that in ethylene? That is C2H4. Option A, propene. Option B, ethane. Option C, benzene. Option D, ethane. The right answer is option A, propene. Question number 21. In an atom, the electrons are filled in various orbitals according to option A, Aufbau principle, option B, Pauli's exclusion principle, option C, Hund's rule, option D, all of this. Again, I repeat, in an atom, the electrons are filled in various orbitals according to all the three rules. So the right answer is option D, all of this. That is Aufbau, Pauli's, and Hund's rule. Question number 22. In hydrogen peroxide H2O2, the oxidation number of oxygen is option A minus 1, option B plus 2, option C minus 2, option D plus 1. Again, I repeat, in hydrogen peroxide, the oxidation number of hydrogen is, the right answer is option A minus 1. Question number 23. Molecular mass of the compound is determined by option A, vapor density multiplied by 2, option B, vapor density divided by 2, option C, vapor density multiplied by 3, option D, none of this. Again, I repeat, molecular mass of the compound is determined by vapor density multiplied by 2. Question number 24. The oxidation number of Mn manganese in potassium permanganate KMnO4 is option A plus 7, option B plus 5, option C plus 3, option D plus 4. The oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 potassium permanganate is, the right answer is option A plus 7. Question number 25. Carbon form two oxides, namely carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Yes. The equivalent mass of which element remains constant? In both these oxides, the equivalent mass of which element remains constant? Option A, carbon. Option B, oxygen. Option C, carbon and oxygen. Option D, none. Again, I repeat, carbon form two oxides, namely carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. The equivalent mass of which element remains constant? The right answer is option B, oxygen. Question number 26. Dual character of an electron was explained by. Again, I repeat, the dual character of an electron was explained by option A, Bohr, option B, Heisenberg, option C, de Broglie, option D, Pauli. The right answer is dual character of an electron was explained by Louis de Broglie, that is option C. Question number 27. The bond order of oxygen molecule is option A 2.5, option B 1, option C 3, option D 2. Again, I repeat, the bond order of oxygen molecule is, the right answer is option D 2. 28th question. Who proposed quantum theory of radiation? Option A, Max Planck. Option B, Sir Niels Bohr. Option C, Heisenberg. Option D, Rutherford. Who proposed quantum theory of radiation? The right answer is Max Planck, option A. Question number 29th, the penultimate question. The volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance in the gaseous state at a given temperature and pressure is called as, again I repeat, the volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance in the gaseous state at a given temperature and pressure is called as option A empirical formula, option B stoichiometry, option C molar volume, option D molecular formula. The right answer is molar volume. Option C. The last question of this week's slideshow is question number 30. The gram equivalent mass of sulfuric acid H2SO4 in gram equivalent is option A 98, option B 196, option C 49, option D none of this. Again I repeat, the gram equivalent mass of sulfuric acid in gram equivalent is, the right answer is option C 49. Thank you dear aspirants for viewing this slideshow. Every week we meet with a new set of questions, 15 questions from GK and current events and 15 questions from general chemistry. Kindly stay in touch. All the best. Stay safe. Thank you.